In this video, we will discuss about sine and cosine functions. We will plot these functions graphically and see how we can generate circular path using this. So let's start our discussion. For understanding this, consider a unit circle with center at origin. We have taken three arbitrary points A, B and C on this circle. Then we join center with these 3 points. Angle A, B and C are angles made with the positive x-axis as shown in figure. We then draw a line perpendicular to x-axis from point A. This line intersects x-axis at A dash. As we know that sin theta is equal to the ratio of length of opposite side to the length of hypotenuse. In this case, hypotenuse is the radius which is equal to 1 unit. So the length of AA dash will be sin A. Also, AA dash is the y coordinate of point A. So y coordinate of point A will be sin A. Similarly, BB dash equal to sin B and CC dash will be sin C. Also, if we draw perpendicular from these 3 points on y-axis as shown, the length A double dash will be cos A, BB double dash will be cos B and CC double dash will be cos C. So now it is clear that x coordinate of any point on unit circle with center at origin is equal to cosine of angle made by line joining that point and origin with positive x-axis, and y coordinate is equal to sine of that angle. Now we plot sine and cosine function versus angle. From this we can see that cosine function lead sine function by 90 degree. So if we start from 90 degree on sine curve, it will be same as cosine curve. Now we will see the variation of sine and cosine function with angle. As you can see, sine value is 0 at alpha equal to 0 and increases to maximum 1 at alpha equal to 90 degree. It then decreases to minus 1 at 270 degree and finally reaches 0 at 360 degree. Cosine value starts at maximum, that is 1, and oscillates between 1 and minus 1. From this we can see that sine and cosine values are same at 45 degree and 225 degree. The value of at 45 degree is 0.707 and at 225 degrees minus 0.707. Now we are plotting variation of cos alpha values on x-axis and sin alpha values on y-axis. We are changing alpha value from 0 to 360 degree. If we take intersection of these two values and trace the path of the intersection point A, we will get a circular path. As you can see, point A is tracing a circular path.